So we're at Rainforest Cafe, and as it says, rescue the rainforest. But then again, all the energy they use for all that lighting and the water could probably save an African village. So here's Marcus Wong from Aurora, about to receive his volcano. And this is Fat Chow.
Oh, I saw you tell you. Oh, he's trying mine.
And this is Eunice. Where's the passport? This is how we spell Eunice.
Oh, and that's Louis.
Oh god, yo, the air conditioning is so strong here.
You're fatter than me and you're cold.
Cool. You can't do this to me.
You can do it to him. You can take him down.
The cake is gonna be made out of my diarrhea and Daniel's mushed together and then blended, and then they put yeast in it so that it rises. I'm not putting this in so that it rises and becomes a cake.
So do you see, there's this thing called the cobra. 1 in 5 dumps in your life with humongous beak. So don't keep
1 in 5?
coiling and coiling and coiling. Therefore, they created the volcano and they served it as a dessert. It is good. Is it here yet?
One day, Eunice died because of a unicorn.
She pierced Eunice's throat and she died. Felix showed his extreme display of waterbending. He could have ended the war. However, but he did end the war. He did end the war.
Hey, you have uniphilus. It's a fact. Didn't you see her lift up?
They rolled up and then at the end, like, it was okay, but it wasn't like what was going on.
Oh, just kidding. No,
Alright. What's the birthday boy? Right
Yeah.
here. You change your seat. Don't do that. And we have a special song for you guys. 3, 2, 1. Happy, happy birthday from all of us to you. We did something special. We made it just for you. We hope you have a super fun and terrific day. So happy, happy birthday from Rainforest Cafe. Hey!
Thank you.
That was kind of loud. Alright. Everybody has their dessert plates? Please enjoy it.
Thank you.
Dig in.
Wow.
Happy birthday, Marcus. Happy birthday.
10 days late, yeah!
Yeah.
Well, there we go for our first episode of Unicorn Vlogs. Come back again and you'll see me naked.